What is the secret of fast tracking your success? Is it about working hard? Not really. It is about working smart. So you need to work smart so that you can fast track your success. So how do you do that? You may ask. So you can do it through getting mentors. I've used a lot of mentors in my life, and they've helped me to fast track what I needed to know at that time, what I was feeling stuck maybe for a couple of months and for years, maybe not knowing what to do. Even a lot of coaches, especially coaches that I pay for, I pay for that service, and then I'll get help. I'll get help for that, where I'm feeling stuck, where I don't know which way to go. And I've tried to do it for few years and it has not worked. But with a couple of sessions, 3 sessions or 4 sessions, I'm able to get unstuck. So as I said, I mean, it is about using your time and also using your resources as well. Planning, if you need to have a coach, hiring that coach. If you need to get mentors, finding those mentors as well. I mean, we recently helped a lady who has been feeling stuck for 4 years, for 10 years or more, not having support in her circles, with the family and everybody. And just with 6 sessions that we did with her, we've really helped her to formulate a plan for her. And she is now working on that plan, feeling alive with possibilities for the first time and really feeling good about herself, because she was really getting sick as well from all the feelings of being stuck and stagnation. So as I said, if you need to go ask for help so that you can get to fast track your success, you need to do it. You need to pay for it. You need to budget and invest in it. Invest in courses, invest in coaches, invest in getting books as well that will help you to move faster than what you would have done by you trying to crack your skull, trying to figure out on your own. Sometimes you need to get some help. So this is what I needed to share for you today, that if it needs for you to invest in coaching, invest in getting help, you can go do it. Go do it. Use your money as a resource to get some help. So I've got all my details there in my bio, link there, and we are having some workshops and some webinars. So if you need to be on my mailing list, you can also check my link there on the bio and say subscribe there on my weekly career coaching, career tips, so that you can be on the system. And let me know as well. Write me an email and let me know if you want 101 coaching so that we can help you get unstuck. So because this is very important for you. You cannot be stuck for many years and stagnant in the same place. Well, there is help. There's actually help. I mean, back in the days, there wasn't help, but there is help available for you. Okay, we'll talk